Little 4 months old, a stray we have here at the Manhattan Care Center. He's a real little horse. He's very friendly, very silly. He's very silly, he's very hungry. Oh, so hungry. Oh, so hungry. He wants to meet other dog. He's already playboying. Look at him, look at him. He's like a bronco. Come here, he's very hungry and he really, you know, take the food sharply from my hand. Wait, 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 wait. What do we have here? What do we have here? Oh, what do we have here? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Are you a little horse? Are you a little horse? Here, 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 here. See, he's very hungry. Oh my gosh, he knows he has to grow up. He knows he has to grow up. So there's this 4 months old little boy, I don't know his name, here at the Manhattan Care Center, a stray. You silly boy. Come on, run, 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 run. Come here, come here, come here. Yes. The big dog is just wondering, what is this? What is this? Is that a dog? Is that a dog? Look at him, look at him.
They're supposed to, or both puppies.
Yeah.
But for some reason it says a year and 6 months.